Imagine a world where everything you know today begins to shift, where the very fabric of life, as you experience it, is transformed. The year is 2025, and the rise of AI robotics isn't just a futuristic idea. It's a reality knocking at your door. The impact of AI and robotics is not some distant dream anymore. It's happening, and it's shaping the world we'll live in tomorrow. Your life is about to change, forever. But the question is, will you be ready? This isn't just about technology. It's about redefining what it means to be human. The first contact: welcome to your personalized paradise. Home is where the heart is, and by 2025, your heart will feel right at home with the help of AI-powered robotics. As the first light of day creeps through your window, your home assistant robot will gently nudge you awake. This isn't just an alarm clock. It's an intuitive AI that adapts to your lifestyle. From setting the perfect temperature and drawing back the curtains, to brewing your coffee and preparing a fresh breakfast, these robots will seamlessly begin your day as the ultimate personal assistant, designed to make your morning routine effortless and tailored just for you. But it's not just about efficiency. It's about the experience. Robots will understand you. They'll learn your preferences, your habits, your needs, and adapt to you in real time. On the roads. As you step out onto the streets, you'll immediately notice how much smoother everything feels. AI-powered traffic lights dynamically adjust to real-time conditions, easing congestion and keeping traffic flowing seamlessly. With the help of a citywide AI system that optimizes every route, autonomous cars will drive by you with extreme precision. Public transportation will also get a futuristic upgrade. As you approach the subway, a humanoid robot guide will direct you to the least crowded car, ensuring a comfortable journey. Cleaning robots will quietly move through the aisles inside, keeping the space pristine and transforming our journey. At the workplace. By 2025, your work environment will be a dynamic blend of human ingenuity and robotic precision. Robots have been a common sight in many industries since 2020, but instead of taking the place of people, they have taken over repetitive or dangerous duties, freeing up you and your coworkers to concentrate on more strategic and creative work. You'll probably collaborate with a digital AI helper at work that does everything from setting up meetings to writing emails in your own voice. Even though it won't make decisions for you, the assistant will be a useful tool to reduce your workload and free up your time for the parts of your job that call for human insight, creativity, and critical thinking. Robots in healthcare. In 2025, robots will be essential partners in healthcare, revolutionizing the way care is delivered. Robots will work alongside doctors, nurses, and caregivers to enhance the patient experience and improve outcomes. Surgical robots, guided by AI, will perform precise, minimally invasive procedures with unmatched accuracy, reducing recovery times and minimizing risks. Robots will assist in routine tasks like monitoring vital signs, administering medications, and even providing physical therapy, allowing medical professionals to focus on more complex aspects of patient care. In hospitals, robots will work seamlessly with healthcare teams, delivering supplies and maintaining a clean and safe environment. This collaborative approach will make healthcare more efficient, personalized, and accessible, allowing humans and robots to work together for better patient outcomes. By 2025, humans and robots will work together in ways that amplify our greatest strengths. Robotics will handle the tasks we don't need to be doing, leaving us with the time, energy, and mental space to focus on what truly brings us joy and purpose. Imagine a life where work no longer feels like a burden, but rather an opportunity to grow, learn, and thrive. AI-powered robots will also open doors to new fields of education, new types of work, and new forms of art and creativity. They will empower us to design, build, and create on a scale that was once unimaginable. It's not just about surviving the rise of AI. It's about thriving in it. As robots become more integrated into our lives, we are forced to confront a profound question. What makes us human? If machines can think, learn, and act, what's left for us to do? But perhaps the answer lies not in what robots can do, but in what we can become. The essence of humanity isn't about working longer hours or doing more tasks. It's about creativity, empathy, connection, and vision. Robots can take over the labor. They can execute with precision, but they can't dream. They can't love. They can't imagine a future that doesn't yet exist. By 2025, We will have the opportunity to redefine what it means to be human by embracing the best parts of ourselves, the parts that robots cannot replace. The future is coming, whether you're ready or not. But here's the incredible truth. You have the power to shape it. You don't have to be afraid of the future. You can be the architect of it. Whether it's learning new skills, embracing technology, or simply staying curious and adaptable, your response to this technological revolution will determine not just your own future, but the future of humanity itself. We are entering a new era. The rise of AI robotics is not just a change in technology. It's an invitation to become the best version of ourselves. So take that first step into the future. Embrace the technology, the possibilities, and the unknown with an open heart. This is your moment. Make it count. Because 2025 is just the beginning, and the best is yet to come. If you're ready to embrace the future and transform your life, hit that like button, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. The revolution is now, let's navigate it together.